Hey guys, okay, I'm gonna try this again for the fucking third time. Fucking, I forgot to put the memory stick in the first time the old lady yelled. Oi! Anyway, I'm sick as dog shit. Fucking hit me last night. Show you what I've been up to. Again. I say again, you guys don't know. Making some more pipes. Maybe these ones. These are the new ones. Yeah. Let's see. Oh. And then I got another blue and green one ready to make. Blue and green. And I turned this orange one last night. I didn't finish it. Fucking, I had something come up. So, I had to do what I had to do. I might finish sanding it today. I might not. Like I said, I feel like dog shit. Now, like I said, I had something come up. Me and my buddy Kevin took a ride about 2.5 hours north. Go look at something. Fucking, I don't know. I'm undecided on my decision. We'll go with that. I don't know if it's a good idea. I really don't. I don't even know if I should tell you guys. Think I should tell you? I don't think I should tell you. Think I should tell you? Well, like I said, this is no longer I have the Cummins to fucking show you guys how to do shit. So I know that's why a lot of you subscribed. But I know why you hate the fucking car scenario too, because you guys fucking are all diesel guys. Well, most of you guys are all diesel guys. And I went to a car. I'm an idiot. What do you want? It happens. Well, like I said, I thought the car would... I could have sworn the car would have fucking turned into something better by now. Could have sworn. But, fucking, I haven't got shit for offers. Everybody offered to trade the fucking thing. I don't want it. I don't want it. Fuck that. If it was turbo, I'd buy it. If it was turbo, I'd buy it. If it was 5-speed, you know what? They're still pretty rare cars. And, I mean, what the fuck do you want? It was owned by fucking an old guy that never beat on it. The car wasn't modded other than the fucking exhaust I put on it. And they do call them my little Ferraris. Like I said, it was a dream car when I was a kid. But, like I said, the Cummins thing's gone. For now. We'll see what happens. I mean, you never know, I might get another Cummins. Or at least get a Cummins motor. Haha. What is Tom talking about? Well, I might have to do a Cummins swap at some point. Thinking about putting one in a Jeep. Yeah, that's a Jeep. Oh, what's that? That sounds like a diesel. Well, I did get an offer that I did like. This is why we had to drive 2 hours up. Now, there's certain things I've always wanted in a vehicle. I wanted a dually. Never had one. Wanted one. I wanted a crew cab. And I wanted a diesel. And I wanted it to be 4-wheel drive. Almost got everything I wanted. Almost. But in the end, I will have everything that I want, minus the motor till I do a swap. So let me show you the new edition. I think I did pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. '93 Chevy Silverado dually. Has a glow plug issue now. Oh, what's that? What's that you say? Tom, what do you have? Oh, look. And it's even standard. Huh. interesting. Body on it's pretty clean. Very clean. Minus the dually fenders. As the guy put it, the nail that sticks out gets the hammer. Apparently, got the hammer. Oh, and it came with a brush guard. Oh, what is that? That looks like a solid front axle. Huh. I don't know, guys. Do these come with solid front axles? I don't think so. No. I know, I'm just being a smart ass now. Hold on. Like I said, she's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Supposedly it's from Missouri. I call bullshit. I haven't seen this rodeo sticker the guy's talking about yet. Crack on the dually there. It comes with goodies. I like goodies. U-bolts. Drive shaft. Springs. The rest of the install kit. Oh, yes. Oh, and a 5-inch lift kit for when I do the conversion. The body's got, I'll just show you. Maybe I won't. Oh yeah, there we go. So what the body's got, I'm assuming it's a different motor. Yeah, I'm assuming it's a different motor. The transmission has already been switched over to the 4-wheel drive tranny. Missouri. So apparently it was from Missouri in 2008. So, I do have another truck. Going up with Kevin last night. Now I know everybody hates 6.5s. Hates them. I don't blame you, the fucking thing fucking sucks. But it's the older 6.5, so I still have a mechanical pump. So basically, I can juice this thing like I did the Cummins. I mean, it won't smoke as bad, but it's still juiceable. Kevin's going to walk me through some of that shit because he knows a lot more about that. Because it's got a glow plug issue now. The guy told me fucking last minute about it. So when it's cold, if it's not plugged in, the glow plug light doesn't come on. And he said a veteran tech told him it was a fucking bad ground or the speed sensor. I got nothing. I asked Kevin about it. He said it's probably a loose ground or a fucking glow plug relay. Because I did have the light come on last night. But now the light doesn't come on. When the light doesn't come on, it doesn't start, so you got to squirt it with ether. I hate squirting fucking diesels with ether. It's not good for them. But it is what it is for now. Y'all, we're going to build a truck. We're going to build a big truck. So, stay tuned. And we're going to see where this brings us. The last change that's going to happen to this is a 12-valve conversion. Training will already bolt up. Me and Kevin were actually talking last night about with the MV45 tranny. The Dodge transmission actually has a higher fucking overdrive. So we're thinking this one, because it's low geared as fuck, maybe make it a hybrid tranny, because I guess all the internals pretty much look the same. So we might end up taking the fifth gear out of a Dodge and mating it into that tranny. Just get a little more fucking cruise out of her. But like I said, it'll be a good project, guys. It's a lot better start than the Dodge was. 100 times better than the Dodge was body-wise. So, stay tuned. We'll see what happens.